welcome back to another video. I am coming to you from my disgusting kitchen, and this morning we are going to take some time and we are going to get it cleaned back up. And before I start, I was just going to walk around the kitchen and show you just how disgusting it is. Alright, we just have stuff everywhere. Just stuff, y'all. This, that box and that bag there, I'll show y'all what's in it later, but my mom went to Missouri to visit some family, and they live close to an Amish community, so I had my mom stock up on some things for me and get it a lot cheaper there. It's a mess here, y'all. An absolute mess. Okay, then, oh, but wait, there's more. We're gonna come and we're gonna deal with all of this. The dishes, they gotta be dealt with. That bag right there has okra in it that a lady from church gave me, so I need to go ahead and get that dealt with. Anyway, my son's trying to avoid the camera. Anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, let's just get into this video. number 2. It's getting done pretty quick. Yeah, we got all this to deal with, so let's start. Okay, y'all, so Parker got the dishes loaded for me and got the dishwasher going, and then I vacuumed in here real quick. There's still some pots and pans and that skillet there that needs to be cleaned, but I am very happy with how it all turned out. I still need to wipe down the 2 air fryers, one there and one there. But real quick, I was going to show y'all what I got from the Amish. Okay, so I got 2 things of Velveeta here. At my Walmart, it's over $7, and wherever they got it, which I'm sure that they bought bulk, but here it says $8.49. Anyway, I got these for $5 and some change. I'm really not sure. Like I said, my mom went to Missouri and visited the Amish community and just grabbed me some things that I had asked for. So I got another thing of toothpaste. All of this is whole kernel corn, or cream style corn, and I got each can for 50 cents, so that's pretty cool. And these are just some containers that my mom had. So there was I think I got a 5-pound bag of rice, maybe 10. I can't remember. But anyway, these 3 here are rice. I got this 5-pound 4 ounces, a bag of oatmeal. We go through a ton of oatmeal. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 containers full of pinto beans, plus everything that I have in my pantry. So I am set for a while on rice, oatmeal, and definitely pinto beans. Anyway, that is going to wrap up our video. Thank you for spending some time with me, hanging out with me, watching me clean, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.